food vlog. We out here having a little snack attack. Like State Turp Bros.
Get the ones with the 3. But roll-ups are like
$4.99. We need this one. This 8-pack. You don't like
grab that
roll-ups?
one.
Why are you being cheap?
they're
You
okay.
literally just called me cheap.
I'm joking. I only like
No.
the blue one.
We need the
blue one
variety
is
pack.
good. Have you seen that blue? I would get this for the blue gummy.
See, you should have gone Mayra basket. She's dropping out our snacks.
I'm just gonna wait for you guys to
Why'd you sit on the fucking floor?
Which ones do we get?
You just said that 8-1.
I don't want
Trolls?
no,
You
like-
want trolls?
gummies. Let's get SpongeBob.
Are those not gummies, Gushers? If you're
No.
gonna get gummies, get Pokemon. I love Pokemon.
This is
hurry up.
Why are you on the floor?
Because you guys are taking
Why is this good quality ass video? Are you good?
Because someone help me.
Here, I'll take one thing. Because I need my other hand for vlogging. Give me that. The yum yum.
I have a birthday cake bar.
You need to stop. That's all. No more. We gotta go.
Oh, kind of bars.
No. Why are you being
Pine
fat?
bars are so good, but like, which one of them is so expensive? They don't sell the boxes on.
Yeah, they do.
You're lying as
Right
fuck.
here.
No, that's.
Kind bars.
Is it the same?
Yes.
Yes.
No, it's not.
You just gotta find the
Not one
flavor.
that I buy at Coffee Bean.
There's different ones at
These are like. breakfast.
No, there's some at
There's more varieties.
I like this one, cranberry almond.
I like the chocolate one.
Fuck yeah, this one's staying.
Where's out here struggling?
Yeah.
It's on
Euro Daily. What you guys want
Oh my gosh, y'all aggressive.
So ugly. I feel like Switch controls are so ugly when you put them in the remote.
Yeah,
Look.
I know.
I'm gonna buy the actual, like the cheap
Can we eat
ones.
the ice cream now? Thanks. It's
Yeah.
gonna melt. Where's ice cream?
Yeah, like
Sergio has ice cream.
It's right there.
It's right there.
it's like
Why are you
medicine.
recording this?
Because it's a fucking.
Are you gonna edit the stupid parts?
Yeah.
No.
No, I don't. I did the some
I
parts.
thought you guys wanted Jack. Where do we go park? Outside Jack?
We can just go here. We just need cups of ice from Jack.
For what?
For the Thai tea. You're not listening?
Can you eat it without ice?
No.
No, because it's a drink. You need.
It's you have to eat it. It's there.
Damn, you suck that shit.
Mochi?
Where am I even eating?
Why didn't Julie hang out with us? Suddenly she said it's rude. I don't believe that.
Oh, this is good.
Oh, this is gonna fly out and all the suchos are gonna spill.
If I break, yeah. I can't get this. It's frozen and I'm not complaining that it's gonna melt. I hate the dough. Do you like the dough?
It's good.
It's like air. It's literally nothing. Masa. Masa que masa. Blah, blah.
So then why did you suck less mochi instead of Michoacana?
Oh, my fingers stuck. Oh, just kidding. Not anymore.
Because Michoacana people stare at you.
Bitch, you're dumb as fuck. I have to bleep those out because we're gonna be family friendly. So we
Are
can
you
get that.
recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I've got shit on the other side of my room.
You gotta bleep it out.
Mm-hmm.
It's open?
What's open? Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't look. Nah.
That's how it did. Oh, we could have sat outside on the bench.
It's cold as fuck. I told you. Only if I break.
You guys been to eat there? It's so overpriced.
Where? Cinco de Mayo?
Cinco de Mayo.
Did they take off little scissors?
I go there.
Yeah, those scissors is gone.
Why?
This is a weird area to put it at.
Yeah.
No, it's not. There's a whole ass neighborhood over there.
I doubt those people eat little scissors. You think it's still open, the lobby? No, huh?
No.
Doubt it.
McDonald's is the only place to 11, huh? The lobbies?
It's just powdery as fuck.
What do I say? Can I have cups of ice?
2 medium cups
You
of
have
ice.
to buy something. You want something, Mayra?
Get fries.
A taco.
Those tacos are cheap. Let's get a taco each.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Another one?
3 or 4, since they're 2 for 1.
Another mochi?
Wait, I'm gonna move.
Okay.
Because you're gonna pay.
Shut the fuck up, you cheap bitch.
It's $2.
Hey, what's
Can I get 4 tacos?
4 tacos, okay?
And 2 cups of ice, please.
Okay.
That's all.
I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Just ice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll see you at the window.
I'll see you at the window.
Why would she even say just ice?
Because, like,
I would have been like, yeah, throw yourself in there.
oh my god. Sergio's rude as fuck.
Rude? How? Am I saying it to her?
You're saying it anyway, it's here.
Scratch our lottery
Cold,
tickets.
guys.
We could do it right now.
Do what?
The lottery tickets.
So wait on that.
Oh, I lost mine.
Damn, you ate 2 mochi?
Yeah.
Dude, chill.
I have the munchies.
I
I mean, I'm just hungry.
Oh, you drink
You don't know
I
how to
told you.
vlog.
grape soda?
When you say fuck you, be like, beep.
You could edit it out. I'll put the, I don't know, I was gonna say I could put the little sensor. Do you know when it's a sensor?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that though.
Can I have another one?
Yes, you can.
How do people know how to edit? All badass.
Have you seen my edits?
Are they good?
Have you seen my recent edit? I mean, my video?
No.
No, Kim.
What one?
Can I see it?
The 15.
I don't think I watched all of it.
Whose skin's it?
My cousin.
Here. Here's some fries.
Bitch, I said 1. Oh, damn. Salvaje.
Why am my fam? I got tacos. Wow, this is an extraordinary mukbang. Josh Peg who?
Put the volume up.
Where'd you edit it at?
My laptop?
I thought on the phone.
Bitch, that's hard as fuck. I've done edits on the phone, it's
It's
hard.
just a minute.
We're next.
Why does she look like she's your age?
She's 15, obviously. Or you just passed it. You just passed it. No walk-ups. You have to be in the car.
Why do people cry in quinceañeras?
Because they're turning into women, bitch.
Nah, not really, but.
Plus,
People say that, I swear.
I never had a birthday. The window.
I'm eating.
Yeah. Bitch, you're seeing with the 20?
Don't you have dollar bills?
Yeah.
You can't even see yourself.
Who's this?
Why the fuck did you put Billie eyelashes?
She said, what's up, bitch?
Yeah, please. Oh, I just like
Don't forget the good size.
wait, hold up. And we also ordered 2 cups of ice.
Dos vasos de hielo.
Do you not know Spanish?
Yeah,
She was eating.
Aquí está. Gracias.
Gracias.
Sorry. Hey, give it back to me.
Why are you peeping through her nudes?
She doesn't have nudes.
You don't know that.
I don't.
She has that on a secret
I
folder.
don't have nudes. Actually, I'm a child of God. I don't take nudes.
I'm gonna try to God too.
I
am a
Yeah?
child of
I'm
God.
lying.
Wait, what? What'd you say? Mayra is a child of God. What if this is nasty?
Goosey.
What if this is nasty?
Oh yeah, he knows that I'm my house.
Yeah. The fuck? So we can actually tell your mom that we were at your house.
Oh, okay.
We don't have to lie to her. Listen to your parents, kids. I don't want to open
Okay,
this.
let's do something
Is it
illegal.
really trash?
Let's go in through the drive-through where it says "Do not enter."
It's the other side. You don't fuck.
No, this side too. 'Cause look.
You're dumb. You're dumb. That's like not
Excuse me.
illegal.
I'm joking.
That's not even illegal.
Oh, we're dark.
Yeah. Oh! You're the biggest
Oh, it
bleep
choked
I've
me.
ever met. It choked you. You probably love getting choked. 4 tacos.
When the seatbelt chokes you.
Oh, we ordered 2 cups of ice. And she's just staring at you. That's bullshit. I don't know whose hydro flask that is. Can you give me some chips?
Get up and reach for them.
The only bitch here is you farting at Stater Bros. And on Friday, fucking farting up the corner. Fuck vlogging.